Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel Tubo. In my last video, I made mention of some things that prevent most YouTubers from getting enough YouTube subscribers and enough YouTube views. In this video, I'll be showing you another very important thing. This one is more important than even the first one. That is preventing a lot of YouTubers from getting enough subscribers on YouTube. Stay to the end of this video and please stay to the end of this video. Thank you. Welcome back. I'm going to be showing you in this video, like I said, what is preventing most YouTubers from getting enough YouTube subscribers. Me myself have checked these things and I've applied them on my YouTube channel and have come to find out that these things are really important, but most people look down on them. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you these things and I'm going to be advising you, please and please do all I'm going to be telling you in this video. If you do it, it's going to help your YouTube channel grow. Not only that, you'll be getting more YouTube subscribers and more YouTube views on your YouTube channel. So what's this thing? I want to give you an example. Take an example that you clicked on this video and when you started watching this video, my starting of the video was very poor and it was very dull that like you just have to skip this video. You don't even need to watch it again. So what is this mistake I'm talking about? I'm trying to make clear to you guys. Most YouTubers who make videos, they don't care about the beginning of their video. The people call it, let me just put it as intro. Your video intro needs to be very important. How good is your video intro? Video intro starts from 1 to 30 seconds. That is the first 30 seconds of your video must get the viewer. Yes, the first 30 seconds, that is the first 30 seconds of your video is very important. It's going to determine if that video is going to get enough views and if it's going to get subscribers. Because if YouTube sees that viewers are watching your video past 30 seconds, they will love to recommend that video to more people to watch. So I don't want to take this video too long. I just want to make it short, very short. All I'm saying is that whenever you're making a video on YouTube, try as much as possible. Please, I'm begging. Make sure your first 30 seconds of your video is very important. If possible, if you're making an action video, let the action part of your video start at the beginning of your video because this is going to get more attention. It's not going to make the viewer who is watching your video not to skip your video or leave your video to watching another video. No, it's going to get him. Even if the middle of your video is no longer interesting, but the beginning of your video has already kept the person watching, he's going to end up watching that video till the end. So please and please, like I said, try as much as possible to work on your video intro. The video intro of every video is really important. It's going to determine if that video is going to get recommendation. The tags you get on your YouTube video is going to help that video grow. So another thing I would love to share with you, I want to briefly share this one because this one just came into my brain. It's when you make upload videos on YouTube, please, please try as much as possible to add tags. Tags, yes, watch tags. That is hashtag with the name or the title of your video. Add your tags in the description. There's a place meant for tags in on YouTube. Add tags there because when you add tags, when people search for your videos, you might be lucky your videos might come out and show at the search bar. Please and please add tags on your YouTube videos. Lastly, not the least is please every YouTuber who make YouTube videos, please go and download vidIQ. Yes, whenever you upload videos finish, all you have to do is go to vidIQ after creating an account, processing your account. You have to optimize all your videos on vidIQ. vidIQ will help your videos and your video will be getting seen. Whenever someone search for your video, something related to your video will get seen and you'll be getting a lot of views, and more views is more subscribers. That is what most people don't know. More views is more subscribers. So please and please, this is the end of the video. I said your video, beginning of your video, as the first 30 seconds of your video is very important. Secondly, tag. And the last of not the least is downloading vidIQ for video optimization. So you can optimize your video so your video can get seen on YouTube. So I'll be seeing you on my next video. Please make sure you subscribe and like this video. Please subscribe.